everyone. We got an unboxing video today in regards to Capri Tools. So I opened up this box earlier. I actually picked this up from Walmart. That's one of the places that actually has the tool available. It's quite amazing. So this is the Capri Tools 48 piece 3/8 drive master impact set. Now it has your standard and your metric. Now what really caught my attention was this right here. So you got a traditional design and they have a new wave design. And it captures the different stress points. You can get that nice video on their Capri website. So when I looked at it a little bit closer, I was like, wow, that's something else. So you got your stamp sizing. In addition, you get your deep socket. And you have laser edged as well. Ball spring universal joint. And another piece that really caught my eye was this. 1/4 inch to 3/8 impact adapter. You also have a 3/8 to 1/4 inch, 3/8 to 1/2, and then 1/2 to 3/8 impact reducer, and also a 3/8 impact universal joint. Now on this set, you also get the standard impact metric system from 8 to 19. It's pretty impressive. Well, let's take a look at it already. I mean, it is an unboxing, so let's see. All right. Okay, let's put this to the side. Now, the reason I got some napkins over here. Wow. Ho, 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 ho. Now this is pretty solid. You guys definitely got to take a look at this. I mean, look at that. Very, very solid. Wow. Now with every usually impact set or any tool set, you know, they got this oil. Right here, let me show you what I'm talking about. Now, you got that nice oil that's on there. Basically is a shirt right after the machine shop. But wow, this is really, really, really nice. This is to give you kind of a better idea. If you decide to get this set, which I did, and I definitely don't regret it. This is really, really, really nice. Hence, really nice. Here, I'm going to pick another one. And as I bring it closer, I'm going to give a little detail in regards to it. I mean, look at that. Etching is nice. You know, and this one, it's the deep socket. I mean, look at that. Wow. Wow. That is something else. Let's bring out this extension. Wow, the detail on this is definitely remarkable. Wow. That's the 10-inch right there. Wow, this is really, really, really nice. Well, what do I think about it? This is a great starter set, especially sockets. I mean 3/8. It's going to cover a lot of the do-it-yourself kind of projects if you want to go ahead and do those, especially if you're looking at an impact set. This is really, really nice. I mean, you get your 3-inch, just kind of like what I went through. You get some 6-inch. I haven't seen an impact set that actually includes this many, as well as the adapters. I mean, that within itself, and the price that I got it for is, I believe it's $119. $119 with lifetime guarantee. I mean, it's right here in their package. Right on that corner, right there. And one of the reasons I went ahead and went with Capri Tools, it's that they're a local company. They're a local company here in Los Angeles. They're actually located in Pomona, I believe. But I definitely recommend this set. If you're a beginner, impact set. I personally just purchased my first snap-on impact wrench, and I look forward to using it with this set, especially for the little stuff that I do, motor mounts, a couple of different items that I work on the car. I could see myself definitely using this set. The quality is quite amazing. I also recommend, keeping this little foam insert. I'm sure it's going to help out with the movement. Well, let's see. Well, it's definitely good, and I look forward to using it. All right, hey guys and gals, thank you for watching, and like always, don't forget to subscribe. And feel free to ask any questions that you may have in regards to this, and I'll be able to answer them to the best of my ability. Thank you once again. Take care, everyone.